you have the chance to join our whitelist for an exclusive token sale for the Edge Video AI token sale on our PEAKDEFI Launchpad. And in this video, I'm going to show you really quick what you have to do in order to get whitelisted and how you can participate in the sale. And after that, I will show you the project. I will show you Edge Video AI. I will give you a little introduction, a brief introduction into the project and what they're about, and why we as PEAKDEFI think that they're a really good project, and why you as an investor should consider investing into this token sale. Let's go. First of all, our PEAKDEFI Launchpad offers different token sales all the time. Right now we are offering Edge Video AI because we think this is a really cool project. If you want to participate at the sale, you have to get whitelisted first, and in order to get whitelisted you have to stake Peak token, which is our native currency for our Launchpad. After that you have to do the KYC, and then you can whitelist yourself for the sale. You can buy Peak token on different exchanges, on Uniswap for example, and then you have to stake them, and then depending on the amount of Peak token you stake, you will get like categorized into a different tier system, or into a certain tier level, let's say like this, into a certain tier level, which then increases the amount that you can invest through our token sales. But you can find more information about this in a different video that I've done in the past, where I explained the whole Launchpad and how it works in detail. But yeah, for this video really quick, first, do the allocation staking. Second, do the KYC, and then you can click on the sale here, connect your wallet, which is already KYC'd, and then you can click get whitelisted, sign the transaction, and then you're on the whitelist, and then you can participate on this at the sale, which will start in about 3 days, because you only have 2 days and 20 hours left in order to get whitelisted. And now let's talk about the project, Edge Video AI. So if you check out the website Edge Video AI, you can see that they're about video, they're about AI. So what are they doing exactly? They are kind of like the first movers into into a new category of like companies, I would say, because they work with regular streams, with like fast streaming services, and they have developed something which they call the second window. So this is like a live stream right now from this sports tournament. And what you can see here is play and win, scan the QR code, as well as this leaderboard here in the top right. This is an overlay, and this overlay comes from Edge Video AI, because they offer you to put in QR code into your stream, or into the stream of the TV show or any show that is like connected with them. And also they have a leaderboard, and they have like different things that they can display with this overlay, with this second window that they put on top of the stream. And they do something which is kind of like watch to earn. So it's like really interesting, because we have seen play to earn in the past, or very recently as well, and now we have watch to earn, and this is like a very interesting concept. And they explain it like very detailed here, because you can engage with the community with this QR code that you can display on your streams or on different streams that you own, and then your community can shop, they can get like more information, they can get like different directions or things displayed as an additional information for the stream. So they have like a lot of like different use cases what they can show you, and why they can, or how they can engage with the community. And if we check out their Twitter, we can see that they have like 46,000 followers. They post very regularly like different updates here. And also if we check out their link tree, we can see their white paper, and in the white paper, which is a Gitbook, they explain in detail how they work exactly. Like you can click through here, you can read all the different information here, but it's like too much if I want to explain everything like in very like detail for you. But what they see here is like these fast platforms, which is here free ad supporting streaming television, which is kind of like a part of the TV shows that you see. And on these fast platforms, for example, Roku channel, Tubi, Pluto TV, Samsung TV Plus, on these channels, they can like overlay their second stream, their second window, what they're talking about. So they have a way how they can increase the conversion and this watch to earn for these different channels, for the community of these different channels, if they onboard them to their platform. And they're onboarding like a lot of TV channels lately to their platform, which you can see in the roadmap as well as on Twitter. So they are very active with that as well. And later on, they are going to add platforms like YouTube or Kick.com as well. you can find all the different information here. And the things that these Edge Video AI services, this overlay, can like display are shopping, gaming, rewards, shopping history, leaderboards, or as well as a configuration tab for like prompts or different other things. So their business model or their like main intent is that you can increase the conversion of the community which is watching your stream, because just watching a stream, like for example this sport event, can be boring sometimes, you know, sometimes can be boring. But if you have like a little game that you can play during the sports event, like when there's a replay or something, you can play a little game, like a quiz game, or you can check something out. For example, with different shows, for example, there's a shopping show, and then if you click on the QR code, it will probably display like a second window here where you can see what uniforms they are wearing, so that you can shop them directly off from Amazon, for example, because they have a lot of shops integrated as with their AI, which is screening for the different clothes as well, so that you can do the shopping. So they'll have like different things that they can do with their second window. And yeah, they also have a very big team. Joe Watt, I'm going to show him in a minute on their YouTube channel. They have like a really good team, which they just did a video a month ago. And then they also have their token, their fast token, which they're going to share later. And if you are watching like the stream, and if you do the puzzles and the work with this second window, or the second window that they overlay, then you can gain virtual points for playing quizzes. You can gain virtual points for daily check-ins with the QR codes from these different live streams. And then you can also earn points for liking and disliking a product shown by the AI. And then you can convert your virtual points to fast token. The fast token is also the token that we are going to sell here for our PEAKDEFI Launchpad. So there's like a certain amount of token or fast token that can be like converted by virtual points to the tokens and back. So there's like a very strict mechanism that they implemented, so that you can do this watch to earn. So you watch the stream with the second window, and then you earn the virtual points, and then you can convert them to fast tokens as well. Yeah, and if you check out their roadmap, you can see that they have like a roadmap for this quarter right now, which is like the launch of the token, which we are doing with PEAKDEFI right now. And then also they have more things planned for the rest of the year, as well as for next year. And what I want to show you is their YouTube channel, because I checked out their YouTube channel, a few videos. And for example, in this video, which is like a month ago, the CEO shows like their updates from the company. And you can see that he's showing himself for the past 2 years. This is Joe Watt, the CEO from Edge Video AI. And here he was talking about the new hires. So he was talking about the team, about how they set up the team. And you can see this is like not your typical crypto company, because they actually like have a real team with like different business backgrounds and not only crypto backgrounds. So this is like a very serious company which is doing crypto, but also doing it with a serious background, like with other than just crypto stuff as well. So this is like very interesting to see. And if we check out their YouTube channel, we can see that they have like different updates here that they did over the last 2 years. And also they had like an interview, which I watched a little bit earlier on today. And in this interview, they showed that they were the first movers for this QR code content creation, something like content creation with QR codes. So they're kind of like the first movers in this industry, in this business. And I also checked out their Medium, because they have different articles here on Medium. And here we can see Edge Video AI Company of the Year in QR powered interactive content 2024. So there's like not a lot of companies which offer this kind of like business model with the QR code and the overlay as well. And they are the company of the year because they have integrated the most shops with their Edge Video shopping. They have integrated the most TV channels so far. So they're doing like a lot of footwork, like groundwork, to integrate more shops, to integrate more TV channels, to get shown by more people. Because every time when like a new TV channel joins Edge Video AI, this means that every customer of them will see the QR code and is going to scan the QR code and then gets redirected to Edge Video AI to create a wallet, to get rewarded for watching the stream. So they're integrating like new people to crypto, which has sometimes never seen crypto before. If there's like a TV channel which hasn't done anything to do with crypto, now they scan the QR code with their phones and then they see, oh, I can set up a wallet. Oh, I can get involved with crypto. So I think they have like a huge market that they can attract to, like where they can attract new people to. And if they later on integrate like YouTube as well, or other streaming platforms like Twitch, for example, with the QR code, this could be a huge deal breaker as well for them, like in a positive way. So this is why we think that Edge Video AI is a really good project and why you should get involved with this project as well. And if you check out our Twitter, you can see that we just started the new sprint for our Zeely. But what I want to show you here is tomorrow in a few hours, or like in 16, 17 hours, we are going to do an AMA session on Twitter with Edge Video AI. So on the 14th of May, 6 p.m. UTC time, we're going to do an AMA session. You can join this AMA session as well to get more information, to ask your questions directly to the team of Edge Video AI if you have any questions. And yeah, we are really excited to see you on this Twitter space tomorrow. If you have any more questions, you can write them down below in the comments. Other than that, get yourself whitelisted for the sale, participate for the sale. I think we have an allocation of $100,000 that we are going to distribute to our community, which is a very big allocation. So yeah, we have enough tokens for everybody. Get yourself whitelisted, and then I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.